Today, we're going to dive into a service that's aimed squarely at helping retail investors like you and me get a professional edge. It's called the Vivekam SWOT membership, and it promises to cut through some of the noise and complexity of managing a stock portfolio. Let's see how it works. So let's start with the one question that's probably on every investor's mind. Is my portfolio really built to consistently beat the market? I mean, that's the whole point, right? But as we all know, saying it is one thing, actually doing it is a whole different ball game. So what's really standing in the way of achieving that goal? Well, this first section is all about breaking down that very challenge, the challenge of keeping your portfolio in peak condition. According to us, it all boils down to this. Your main goal should be to keep your portfolio's overall strength score above a very specific number, and that number is 93. The whole idea is that a portfolio that consistently stays above that line is just fundamentally stronger. It gives you a much better chance of outperforming the Nifty 50, which, is the benchmark we all measure ourselves against. 93, that's the magic number we're talking about here. Think of it as the threshold. If you're above it, you're in the high strength zone. If you dip below it, well, your portfolio might be losing its competitive edge. But here's the catch. Staying above 93 is a constant battle. I mean, the market never stops moving, right? Company results can be all over the place, and a stock you absolutely love can suddenly get way too expensive. And this right here is the real headache for an individual investor. It's not just about knowing what you need to change, but when. How often should you be looking at this stuff? It's exhausting, frankly. So with all that going on, how are you supposed to stay on top of it all? Well, this is exactly where the SWOT membership is designed to step in and offer a solution. So what is it really? At its heart, the Vivekam SWOT membership is a service that gives you regular, professionally guided reviews of all your stock holdings. The entire point is to help you make the right moves to keep that all-important portfolio score above that 93-point mark. Okay, so that's the what, but let's get into the how. How does this thing actually work in practice? Let's walk through the process step by step. The process is actually pretty straightforward. First, you get a detailed report, and it's not vague. It has specific suggestions. We scan your portfolio, offering a consolidated view of all the stocks you currently hold. It highlights a clear action recommendation, whether to hold, sell, or switch, helping you quickly assess performance and make informed investment decisions. We give 2 recommended stock baskets designed to help improve your portfolio score using the available cash balance. It presents 2 options: a diversified market cap agnostic basket and an alternative large cap basket, each detailing suggested stocks, quantities, and investment values. Second, it's on you to actually make those trades in your own brokerage account. Then you just wait a day or two for everything to settle and for the stocks to show up in your DMAT account. And finally, you get an updated holdings list and you're all set for the next review. It's a simple cycle. Now here's a really cool feature that just makes life easier. That last step, getting your updated holdings list, can be a real pain to do manually. So Vivekam automates it for you. We use something called an FIU, or Financial Information User Interface, to just pull your data directly from the depository. And the best part, we cover the cost for this. All you have to do is give them permission once a year. What's this going to cost and what are the rules? Let's talk about the membership cost and terms. The membership fee is a flat 25,000 rupees. Simple as that. It's a single payment that gives you access to the whole review service. And this table lays out the terms very clearly. Your membership gives you up to 25 portfolio reviews, or it lasts for 12 months. The key phrase here is whichever is earlier. So if you burn through your 25 reviews in 9 months, that's it. Or if a year goes by and you've only used 10 reviews, it expires then. After that, it's totally up to you if you want to renew. And this is a really important detail. The price is the price. It doesn't matter what the value of your portfolio is. Whether you're managing a few lakhs or something much larger, the fee for the service stays exactly the same. Okay, so this brings us to our final section where we're going to put that cost into perspective. This is where we look at the value proposition we are offering, what we call the affordable expert edge. To really see what this means, let's just use a hypothetical example. Let's say you're a serious retail investor with a portfolio of about 50 lakh rupees, a pretty common size. Now we already know the annual cost is 25,000 rupees. So for a 50 lakh portfolio, what percentage of your investment are you actually paying for this guidance? And there's the answer, just 0.5% per year. When you frame it like that, the cost looks totally different, doesn't it? It's not just a flat fee, it's a tiny fraction of the assets you're trying to grow and protect. And of course, if your portfolio is larger than 50 lakhs, that percentage just gets even smaller. And apparently this pricing is very deliberate. The whole mission behind this model, we say, is to make sure this kind of professional guidance isn't just for the super rich. It's designed to be within reach for any serious investor. And that really leaves us with a fascinating question to chew on. With this combination of flat fees and technology-driven guidance, could models like this be the future of accessible, affordable investment advice for everybody? It's definitely something to think about.